Schréder is a leading independent smart outdoor lighting solution provider worldwide. The company is a family-owned company with more than 115 years of history, based in 70 countries, with more than 2,000 people working for the company. We have around 7 factories and 6 research and development centers based in different countries, and we assemble around 2 million luminaires per year. And we have the smart, technology with connected device where we are around 800,000 luminaires connected today. As an international company, one thing is all the customer engagement that we have towards our local customer. And as we are based in 70 countries, that's a big challenge for Schréder. The second challenge that we have as companies is innovation, so we have to continue to innovate all the time. We are a company that we are growing, so growing in different geography region, but also in terms of segments. So we try to innovate with new products that can compete with the competition, and the innovation is key there. As a third main challenge we have, I would say, our SWORD program. So we have a digital transformation program where we try to go to one common platform. So what you need to know is that in Schréder we have around 12 different ERPs, and we try to go to one common platform. The objective of the project, giving, let's say, agility and flexibility within the company to improve that, but as well to ease the business with our customer. Within one of the challenges of a company is the product variability. So what you need to know is that we have around 3 projects, and each product has 1 million of standard variants where we have a standard lead time towards our customer. And a product like Blue Star with Dimension 5 help us to manage that variability on the technical level. We have also a CPQ tool that's more on the sales level, but on the technical level we use Blue Star to manage all this variability. And the combination with Dimension 5 and Blue Star as a one common platform helps us to manage all this variability. So with the previous solution, the main challenge that we have is that we're 2 separate systems. We had Dimension 5 on one side and also the other legacy system, and on the other side we had the other PLM software. So today we are in a better position because we work in the same common platform.
With Blue Star configurator solutions, we really have the ability to go deeper in our high configurable world, and we have now the opportunity to struggle blocks by blocks with the configurability of our luminaires. We considered different solutions, but Blue Star gave us one extra advantage compared to others. That's the embedded way of using data between the systems. We have the configurability modules. That's really the game changer with Blue Star. The SolidWorks integration, really have an easy SolidWorks integrations with Blue Star. Access to the streamlined process for the change. You can begin a change in the ERP and finalize it into the PLM system. With Blue Star you can really manage your approval flow, and you can create it according to your needs. That's really something interesting when you have a multiple way to validate data. So typically when you are at production level, where you want to have access to drawing 3D models, you stay in the same system. That makes us quicker to answer to these different challenges we have, from for sure configurability again and change. And for sure we still have to improve. We are at the start of our journey to introduce D365 everywhere, but we see now that having Blue Star in the game gives us the ability to really focus on one system instead of spreading our times to different systems. We have a better accuracy, and we increase the speed to do the change, because now we see where the impact is when the data is wrong between the systems. This is a major speed time win with the integration of the systems. And now we are really starting the journey, because we have Blue Star everywhere now, to make it work with our line productions.
One of the blocking factors in the actual PLM system those days was that it was not integrated at all. And by a suggestion of our IT partner Segecam, we came to the knowledge that there was a PLM system that is fully integrated in Dynamics. And that's where we started to say it might be very interesting to look into that possibility. And that's how the project started. We saw some immediate potential improvements. It was integration, of course, all on the same system. But as an example, that engineers could see immediately when they were making a change, inventory available in the factories. There was a sub-team created, focused with Schréder with Hervé in the lead, and then we had Blue Star as such and Sezica supporting the project. And it became a sub-project that ran quite standalone, very smooth, very efficient. They kept the budget, so that's also very nice from a project perspective. And that's how we landed where we are today with PLM system that is fully integrated into the ERP.
The digitalization project we did at Schréder consisted of several project phases. The first phase was to implement Blue Star PLM as a standalone solution to support the product lifecycle management processes within the Schréder organization. During that first part of the project, Sehica had more of an advisory role towards Schréder. A second milestone in the project was the implementation of the template for the sales entities, for the commercial entities, and also to roll out that template to all the sales entities of Schréder worldwide. During that project phase, we had also several touch points with the solution of Blue Star, and we needed to integrate with that solution. During this project phase, the complete team of Sehica, both functional and technical, were involved. The current phase that we are working on is the build of the template for the factories, and we're also going to roll out that template. And here Blue Star is really core, and we need to integrate heavily with Blue Star PLM. So yeah, in that project phase also the full Sehica team is involved, both functional and technical.
We are very agile in the approach. So together with Schréder, define some clear goals of what is the minimal viable product, what is the aim for the future thing, and then we simply just are agile to measure it over time and make sure that we reach these goals and had close monitoring on really achieving the goals. And that was how we got the project flowing and also kept the budget. When we come to the play and you get everything into solution, then you start having to understand the whole flow. And I think that's where you can see that the collaboration with Sehica have really involved in this area, so that it's a part of the complete solution. And that's where you get a lot of the benefits, time to market, all these kind of things that you want to achieve.
Blue Star is one system fits all customers. You can't customize it, but they took it very seriously and they looked into our case and we implemented their standard. Sehica was in the background making the support, making sure that our blueprint and our technical solution was fitting. It was one of the better implementations we had because of the dedicated team and the focus they had. Lessons learned is do your homework up front very well, that you know your boundaries. Make sure you have a good dedicated project team. Give them the freedom to act where they need and keep the coordination that they go in the right direction.
If you look at Schréder, why are they a perfect match for Blue Star? But it's really that they have this configure to order, engineering to order approach where you need the data to flow. Because they have that huge variation, that's where this collaboration needs to be intact. And I think that's why they are really fitting to the product and they can achieve some goals. I know that they are just taking the first step on the ladder and they will take several steps over the next year and improving their business even more.